Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. Finally, Asante Kotoko have traveled to Algeria to face Setif on Sunday in the second leg of our CAF Confederation Cup preliminary stages tie. The first leg they won 2-1 in Accra, and we are going back to Algeria to see if we can perform a miracle there, because I know it's going to be very tough to beat Setif in Algeria. So after all the controversy about why they traveled late, you know, Asante Kotoko is the biggest club in Ghana, so we are giving radio stations, TV shows, all the content, and if they don't talk about Kotoko, their channel and the stations will remain irrelevant. That is why they've been talking about Kotoko for the past few days, coming out with different theories as why we have traveled late and all that. So I don't want to go into that. I just want to give you the list of the players or the squad that is traveling to Algeria for the Setif. At the goalkeeper we have Razak Abalora, Felix Annan and Kwame Ba. Defenders we have Christopher Nate, Samuel Frimpong, Aimoro Ibrahim, Habib Mohammed, Yusuf Mubarak, Wahab Adams and Andrews Apau. Midfielders we have Kwame Edom Frimpong, Emmanuel Sakode, Fabio Gama, Latif Anabila and Salifu Mudasiru. Then forwards we have Kwame Poku, Emmanuel Jimfi and Godfrey Siama. Augustin Okra isn't part of the squad that is traveling. I don't know if that indicates that he'll be leaving the club very soon. Osman Ibrahim is not fit for this trip. Emmanuel Keke is out injured. Patrick Asma is out injured. Danlad Ibrahim is with the under-20 squad. Now let's talk about the game. I think it's going to be a very, very crucial game. It's going to be tough, obviously, and it's going to be tougher than what we experienced in Accra, but I'm expecting Kotoko to play well, even if we don't qualify, because I believe anything is possible. Even if we don't qualify, I want to see a very good performance out there, and I want to see the team making us proud here in Ghana. I know there are a lot of controversies about the club paying the players, even if their bonus, even after their loss against Setif, but I think there are more things to worry about. I think we need to worry about the quality for our team, how to get the right players to enable us to win the Ghana Premier League this season. So the Setif game will be very, very difficult, but I think we can pull up a surprise or put out a very good performance there in Algeria. So anything is possible. I'm expecting the boys to go out there and make us proud. So I would like to know your thoughts on the game overall, the squad I've just listed, and your predictions for the game. So comment now and click notification bell. Subscribe and click notification bell if you haven't. So that's all for today. Till next time guys, goodbye.